If you have been looking for the easiest way on how to make money online, then this free Make Money Online course is what you need. Take it, and in 30 days, come and tell me how much you have withdrawn directly to your local bank account in the comment section. This is the lesson 3 of this series. So if you have not watched lesson 1 and 2, after watching this lesson 3, go back to the playlist. It's on this channel. Take lesson 1, take lesson 2 so that you can get along and practice everything after there. So let's quickly get over to the video, and then I'll see you at the end of the course.
Install, you open it to register. Put your phone number. So they'll send it. It's bringing out this because I've registered on Vike before. That is why it's bringing out that I should check my email. But if I've not registered on Vike before, what it will bring out is add email. So you will first add email. After you add email, because as you inputted your phone number, it will send you a code. After sending you a code, then it will ask you to add your email. After you add your email, it will send code to your email again. Then after everything, you can log in. Do you understand? But because I've created Vike before, that is why it just brought me to this place that I should log in straight up. So after that, once you are in, once you verify with your code and all, then you are in, you will add your card to Google Play Store. So make sure you have a card. If you don't have a card, there's no way you can buy a UK phone number. For those that don't have a card, sorry, you can reach out to me. We can help you to buy a card from here. So I want you to send PIN via SMS so that I can show you all the interface and how to get the UK number. It's not only UK number that is there. There's UK, there's US, there's Canada. But you know, like I said, we're only working on anything in United Kingdom. So they'll send me an SMS now. So 97248. Accept. Don't allow. It's not necessary. Next. Later. So that's what to bring it. Say you get number. Okay. So this is how you're going to do. You click on add number. What country? Choose United Kingdom. So you see the countries there. United Kingdom. Duration is a month. That's $5.99. UK profile. Purchase with credit, or you purchase with Google Play Store, because that's the best. So when you see you want to purchase with Google Play Store, do you see the amount? It's bringing out this Mastercard 999 because I've added a card to my Google Play Store. For those that have not added a card, it will tell you what add card. So you first add your Visa card, your ATM card. After adding your ATM card and all, that's when you can make the purchase, and then you get your UK phone number. So that's how it works.
Alright, so if you have any question for me, drop them in the comment section. Myself or admin will do our best to give you the best answer. If you have not watched lesson 1 and 2, make sure you watch them right now so that you can get along with us. Please, I want you to share this video on your social media platforms, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that you get to see more videos like this. Let's get over to the next lesson.